Hey guys, Julie Jeans here with another video. As you guys can see in the description, yes, I am a Shein campus ambassador and I am super excited to start my journey. I actually been a Shein campus ambassador for about like 2 months, but I didn't know. That is a long story for another video. If you guys want me to speak about my Shein ambassador journey so far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know below what kind of questions you guys have about the Shein ambassador program, and I will be answering all your questions in my next video. So today our video is actually going to be an unboxing with Shein and a try on, so you guys can see what the products that I got look like. It's pretty. Okay, so let's keep going. This top, oh my god, I can't wait to show you guys how this top looks, and I really hope that it looks exactly how I imagined, because I am like in love. The texture of this top, oh my god, it is so soft, super soft. Look at this, look at the back. That looks amazing. And now I'm going to try it on with these shorts. Wait a second. And I really hope they fit me, because what I really love about Shein is that as soon as you click on the item that you want, right in the bottom it gives you your measurements, so whatever you buy, they should fit. It should fit if you're following your measurements. I always measure my body, so then I'm not struggling when I'm online. So these are the shorts. Like, aren't they so cute? Look. I also got this bra just because it was a really good sale. And I was like, why not? It's like the sticky bra. This is a sticky bra. So in case I wanted a bra that made me feel like I had a bra on, I love the fact that this has a strap in the back and I can adjust it as much as I want to. Like, this is pretty good. I'm probably gonna put this on under the top just to see how it looks. And then I bought this bag just because I needed a bag for whenever I need a small bag, just to, like, you know, here and there, because I do have a black bag, but it's like pretty big, so I bought this. I like it. It's pretty simple, which I just gotta put this through the holes and it should be good. Here it is. Then one last thing that I got, because I really needed a new one, was a belly piercing, and I'm super excited. I'm literally acting like a baby right now. I'm gonna show you guys what my actual belly piercing look like right now. Look, I put it upside down just because I wanted to play with it, but this is ugly and needs to be changed, so I'm going to change it right now. This is also from Shein. I'm gonna be nice and I'm going to make sure that every item that I just showed you guys on the video, I'll put the numbers under my description box, so you guys don't go crazy looking for any of these items. So we're gonna take this out, put the new one. This is so cute. It's so cute. Here you can see how I'm wearing the top and the shorts. I am so in love with the shorts. Definitely the right fit, and the top is pretty comfortable and very flowy. I love it. Open back, so sexy. And the shorts are just perfect. I definitely cannot complain on how this looks. Now let's see what it would look like if I add the black crossbody, and I honestly cannot complain. It looks fab. Under the top, I'm wearing the sticky bra. Obviously, I would not wear this bra with this top. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. But maybe I could wear it with this top if I take the strap off, and then I could just wear the stickies. If pretty was a person, it'd be you. If pretty was a person. If pretty was a person. If pretty was a person, it'll be you. So as a Shein campus ambassador, I get a reference code where you guys can actually benefit from your sale. So your reference code is not a discount code, it is a reference code. So you would put your reference code on, okay, so you would go on your profile and then go to more services, and then it will say my reference, and there you put my code, and you can get $2 off if you buy $29 or more. And the best part about my reference code is that you can use it on top of a discount code. So you'll get double benefits. One more thing that I wanted to clarify is that this is not a paid video, but I do get commission for anything that you guys purchase using my reference code. Well, thank you guys for watching. This was it for the video. Like I said before, if you guys have any questions about being a Shein campus ambassador, please let me know below and I'll answer it in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'm pretty excited for my journey, and I hope you guys liked my little try on and unboxing today.